So now that we have S3 set up and you have a Munki repo that's global, you probably want to automate getting your devices into that Munki instance. Today, we're going to set up a package that you can put into your MDM or use via MDS to automate your devices getting set up into Munki S3. So to start off with, I've gone ahead and I've downloaded Munki Tools and the middleware S3. I'll actually just throw this out here. So it's all on my desktop. I have Munki Tools, middleware S3, and I have a post install script. So what we're gonna do is we created our post install script, and in that script, the installer is gonna install a package called Munki Tools from the temp folder. It's going to go ahead and copy the middleware, I have to probably type that right, middleware s3.py into Munki middleware s3.py, and then it's going to set our access key, secret key, and region for our S3 repo and do cleanup. And that should cover us for everything we need. Jump back in here a second. We're gonna open up middleware S3 Munki. Jump back in and take a quick peek at the S3 documentation. So I missed a piece in here. We're gonna have to quick set our Munki repo. So to do that, we'll copy out the defaults right, and this is how I basically created everything else in this script, is I copied out from the documentation. We'll do a defaults right, and we want library library preferences, managed installs, software repo URL, and we'll quick pull our S3 bucket. Conveniently, I have the outputs here, so I can pull my S3 bucket information and put that right here. And now everything points to the appropriate locations. It saves out to our post install script. So what you can do is I've grabbed packages and installed packages, and it's now mad at me because I changed where it's located. So we need to, I'll show you how we can, I'll delete out my Munki Tools and re-add Munki Tools to our TMP folder, which is like we did here in our post install script. We want it in TMP or temporary, and then it will install it properly. And then we need our scripts. Make sure it's set to relative to project, not, I mean, it can be the absolute path, but at this point, I'm going to do relative to project, and we want our permissions to be root wheel with that set of permissions. And our script, we're going to actually remove the old one because I just updated it, choose, and it's on the desktop, our post install. We'll go ahead and choose that, change the absolute path to relative, and we can save our project. Our project is named Munki S3. With the settings, I made the identifier and I threw my company name in. You may do that with your own. Make sure your post installation behavior requires a restart. The Munki installation file requires that restart to get everything set in place, get the launch agents to function appropriately. That way it can call out to S3 with the proper files. So do your restart and then everything will work great. So finally we need to build out our package. To do that, we do build and build. Creates out and build was succeeded. So now I can go and find my build file, which is likely in my users folder. So our YT admin folder and Munki S3 build. There's that package. You can take that package, drop it into your MDM of choice or into MDS. And when you provision a machine, make sure this file, there's package gets installed, and it will point your users out to your S3 repo. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually just run it on my machine. You can pass these out on flash drives, have them run on all the different machines that you need added to Munki, and it will go ahead and run just fine. It doesn't have to be through an MDM. It's just, that's an easy way to automate the process, especially when you buy machines, put them into your Apple Business Manager or Apple School Manager, and then they get provisioned via your MDM. This makes it easy to patch them up, get everything rolling. So we'll run this a second, and I'll show you that we connect up to our S3 repo here shortly. Let's quick take a peek before I run this. Let's open our Finder window and go out to Library, Preferences, not Panes, just Preferences. And then we want to look into our Managed Installs plist, and none of that information is in here. So we'll check back after the restart and see what happens. All right, we're back, we're restarted, and we'll quick take a peek into where we got Library Preferences open and Managed Installs. All right, we're back. You can see we have our access key here. We have our repo down here along with our secret key. So if I were to go, let's open terminal and do a /user local Munki manage software update -vvv. We'll run it as root, user local Munki managed software update -vvv, throw in our sudo password and C. Could not retrieve managed install primary manifest. So my guess is I haven't set up a manifest for this machine. So the piece we care about though is it going out? It has our ft-munki repo and all the middleware is working. So my mistake is I don't have a manifest for it, so it can't pull anything down as of right now. And I honestly don't even know if I have everything set up right for this machine to push out to S3. Let's open up Munki admin. We have everything there. Make sure I have about this Mac. So my issue why nothing was working was my secret key had an E on the end of it. If we jump into our post install script, you can see there's an E there, and it's only supposed to be with a V at the end of it. So watch, make sure everything is put together appropriately. Now if I go back and rerun I probably need to restart to make sure the managed installs plist. I'll actually do a sudo defaults right /library preferences /managed installs plist secret key, give it quotes, paste it in, and now that's good to go, which in theory means I can rerun this and everything's going. So this just proves you need to test things. I screwed up, and that's on me, but that's why I'm testing it on my machine before I put it in MDS, put it in production, either in an MDM or like I said, MDS. I'm gonna go ahead and give you a template file out on my GitHub. The link will be in the description. For the post install script, you can then go ahead and use packages or whatever package creation tool that you use, and use this post install script to set up your package for putting your devices into your S3 repo. If you've enjoyed this video or any of my other content, please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking that bell icon for notifications on when I post more content, as well as clicking the like button, giving me that thumbs up for this video. It helps the algorithm, helps me out, helps grow the channel, so I can continue to create more content for you. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. See ya.